Today we're in Eagan, minutes away from Lebanon Hill, and I want to introduce this wonderful house with unique layout. You don't want to miss this one. Step into this home and you're greeted with cozy fireplace, tall ceilings, and great living room. This kitchen has so much natural light, granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, and your easy access to your private deck. This gigantic deck is perfect for entertainment, movie nights, or hosting parties with barbecue, of course. Now you see it all. You just need a key.